What makes pancreatic adenocarcinoma spread quickly? Imagine a cancer that seems to get a head start even before it's fully visible. Pancreatic adenocarcinoma, especially pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma, is known for its rapid spread. This quick progression is driven by a mix of genetic, cellular, and environmental factors working together. One key reason is that these cancer cells can leave the primary site early, sometimes even before a noticeable tumor forms. These early disseminated cells can stay dormant for a while but are resistant to treatments. Later, they can activate and establish new tumors in distant organs like the liver or lungs. Genetics play a role too. While primary tumors and metastases share some gene mutations, it's the epigenetic changes, like modifications to DNA and chromatin, that really help the cancer adapt quickly. These reversible changes allow the cells to turn on invasive programs, helping them break through tissue barriers and invade blood vessels or lymphatics. For example, changes in DNA methylation or histone modifications can make cancer cells more aggressive and able to survive in new environments. The tumor microenvironment is also crucial. Cancer cells secrete growth factors, cytokines, and enzymes that break down surrounding tissue. These substances help the tumor invade nearby tissues and enter blood or lymphatic vessels. Once inside the circulation, cancer cells can travel to distant sites. They also manipulate their environment to promote new blood vessel formation, which supplies nutrients and oxygen, supporting faster growth and spread. A process called epithelial mesenchymal transition, or EMT, is another factor. During EMT, cancer cells lose their tight connections and gain mobility. This change is driven by signaling pathways like transforming growth factor beta, which encourages cells to migrate and invade other tissues. EMT makes the cancer more invasive and better able to survive in distant organs. Tumor heterogeneity is also at play. Different clones of cancer cells can have varying abilities to spread. Some metastases are monoclonal, meaning they originate from a single cell, while others are polyclonal, involving multiple cell types. The specific environment of each metastatic site influences how quickly and effectively the cancer can colonize it. Finally, the cancer's ability to invade blood vessels and lymphatic channels is vital. These vessels act as highways for cancer cells to reach distant parts of the body. The cells' capacity to stick to vessel walls, survive in circulation, and exit into new tissues determines how fast the cancer spreads. Certain molecules like PAC2 are involved in promoting these processes by activating pathways that enhance blood vessel formation and invasion. In summary, pancreatic adenocarcinoma spreads quickly because it can leave the primary site early, adapt through epigenetic changes, manipulate its surroundings, undergo EMT, and efficiently invade blood and lymphatic vessels. These complex interactions make it a particularly aggressive form of cancer. Early detection and targeted treatments are essential, and anyone concerned should always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice.